In this video we will talk about how to eliminate ugly acne marks. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. With some ailments, the name says it all. Acne, the dreaded symptom that manifests itself as pimples or zits, is scientifically called acne vulgaris. And true to its name, it is unsightly and often causes more than physical scarring among millions of teens worldwide. But like any other bodily manifestation, acne too has a cure. Sure, there are a wide array of them available in the marketplace to help you choose from, but truth be told, acne is not a permanent condition and acne cures that work actually exist. Before one starts looking at available acne cures, it might be a good idea to try and understand what causes acne in the first place. Contrary to popular belief, acne is not caused by bad facial hygiene. Nearly everyone believes this though, and any acne cures that stem from this belief are unlikely to work. What does cause acne, however, is hormonal changes in the body that result in the production of excessive oil from the sebaceous glands. In some other cases, acne is caused when the pores are blocked or when the sebaceous gland itself is a victim of some infection. In order to work, acne cures must first target the underlying problem. An acne cure that targets the infection of the sebaceous gland, for instance, is unlikely to work in a case when the acne is a direct result of hair duct blockage. Like with any other illness, acne cures too must target and work on the root cause of the problem. There are several kinds of acne cures available in the market. First, there are topical acne cures. These usually comprise some creams or lotions that can be applied directly to the affected area. These kinds of acne cures normally include topical antibiotics, glycolic acid, lactic acid and gluconic acid. In some cases, such acne cures might also involve an active ingredient like azelaic acid cream, and in cases where the acne is severe, accutans and sotret might be active components. Apart from the topical, there are also several oral acne cures available. Most chemists and drugstores have a wide variety of oral acne cures available readily on their shelves. However, before using such acne cures, it might be a good idea to see a dermatologist who can not only identify the cause of your individual acne, but also prescribe the most suitable treatment for you. I hope you found some useful information and tips. I look forward to hearing from you. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.